The some message of the definitions by the Russian ambassador Denis Alipov. He says that something here to explain. Dear friends, 65 years ago, humankind entered the space age on April 12th in 1961. Yuri Gagarin's aboard the spacecraft Vostok 1 made the first ever human spaceflight, a heroic 108-minute journey orbiting the Earth. To commemorate thus April achievement, the United Nations General Ambassadors in 2011 proclaimed April 12 as the International Day of Human Flight. Gagarin proved the boundaries of capabilities of humanity and became the true pioneer, turning the wild dream of the space travel into the reality. His flight marked a triumph of the global travel space program and opened a new era in the history. Okay, what is that? Is the new era of history. We can call from the space explorations many follow up these footsteps, formatting the generation of instruments who ensure beyond the earth. It is worth recycling that heart who is the about the earth's appearance Yuri Gagarin's and remarkable that the semblance of paintings is Nicholas Reish and remind the Russian aristocrat who work as the inspired by India, where he spent the final descent of his life. In 2026 also mark 2026 also mark this 65th anniversary of the Gregorian visit to the India in the November 1961. He traveled extensively across the country and was warmly welcomed by millions of Indians. Gregorians called then that while the earth appeared beautiful from about it was even more magnificent, and there among the true friends to one Yuri Gagarin's a comparative postage stamp was issued in India. Today, there is a statue of him at the Birla Planetarium in the Kolkata, a monument at the Nehru Science Central, Mumbai, a box of the Russia, okay, a box of the Russian Thiruvananthapuram and Yuri Gagarin Path Durgapur, West Bengal on April 12, 2025. A memorial plaque was unveiled the Russian House at the New Delhi, honoring the founders of Russian communities. Also, theoretical scientist Konstantin Tishiklvi rocket. Okay, and the some things is the engineer and spacecraft designed the Sergei Korolev at the first cosmonaut of Yuri Gagarin. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru once described the first human spaceflight. Okay, Jawaharlal Nehru was described the world's first human spaceflight. In the spaceflight of the outstanding specific achievement and the genuine triumph of humankind. During his visits to Delhi, and Gagarin expressed his belief that one day Soviet and Indian customers would explore the unknown regions of space together. This vision has ended come true. Russia and India cooperative in space date back to 1975, when the Soviet Union took part of the launching Aryabhatta. Okay, India first satellite launching in 1975. Okay, so the second Indian satellite Bhaskara was launched 1979. In 1985, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma became, okay, you remember that Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma, okay, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian space in joining the Commander Yuri Malsev and the flight engineer Jeremy strictly about the Forge and T spacecraft. Okay, and understand today our nation is actively cooperate rocket technology and satellite navigation through the Russians drones and system and the Indian navies and the development of the geo sensor satellite launch vehicles, which is supported the ISRO Chandrayaan missions. Okay, You know about the Chandrayaan 3 missions. Four Indian astronauts have successfully completed this training in Russia under the Gaganyaan program in fast human space flight. Okay, space flight mission. And importantly, our collaboration centuries continues to expand within key multilateral platform, primarily United Nations and specialized body. We maintain the subsequent dialogues on promoting the responsible behavior in our space and prevent arms threats, including confidence building measure, the non-placement of weapons, that rejection literal confrontations approach with this way also continued within BRICS, where we were advising to initiatives such as the development of remote satellite constitutions. Both our friendly nations look forward at the further stretching this multi-dimensional partnership and the elevating it to new highlight, building on our proud achievements of the benefit of the peoples. Okay, you know about that, and this is the thing that is the delivered by the Russian ambassador Denis Alipov. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind.